Actually, Hi everyone, my name is Sarah. Welcome to my kitchen. Actually, I'm not in my kitchen. My kitchen was a mess, so I'm filming in the living room. Today I'll show you how to bake white chocolate almond cookies. It's a great alternative for classic chocolate chip cookies. It's also a vegan recipe, so we'll not be using any dairy products. These cookies are very soft and chewy. Actually, me and my friends just couldn't stop eating them. So I hope you'll like the recipe. I'm waiting for your likes and comments. For more videos, please don't forget to subscribe. You can click on the red button below. Thank you very much.